Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. They should be on the very first position. I mean, this option should be. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do, because changing the language in this device is very easy, so all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. As you can see, it has been immediately marked. What's more, we just got back to the language list, maybe not list, but language section. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again, because of course I'm not really good at this language I've just chosen. So let me pick English again, and the same situation, the menu has been changed immediately and successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.